而这边今天呢，就像咱三孙第三个信息，三孙第有快乐的事实，嗰是第失败的事实。
Today we're going to meditate on the topic entitled Samson, the strongest judge yet worst failure.
咱已經說咗有兩篇嘅信息，
We already had 2 sessions on this same topic,
講到三孫嘅父母嘅 parents。
talking about the parents of Samson.
三孫有一對真正敬虔嘅父母，
Samson has a pair of godly parents.
一對為三孫真正斟酌、真正水利嘅父母。
They are parents who are very careful.
但係三孫家嘅本性真正隨便。
But then Samson himself is too casual.
三孫嘅失敗，因為家己冇為家己敬生、珍惜家己嘅生命。
He failed because he himself did not take good care of his own life.
頂禮拜咱解釋咗，頂個嘅咱頂前擺咧所講三孫失敗頭一個原因，
And last time we talked about the first reason why Samson failed.
這是三孫一生第一大嘅失敗，
And it is the biggest failure that he had in his life.
就是三孫係兩性嘅關係頂面，喺性方面嘅真大嘅失敗。
That is his failure in the area of sexual things.
其實唔係是安尼，
Not only that,
三孫有其他三方面嘅失敗。
Samson also has 3 other aspects of failure.
今日嚟所講這其他三方面，為什麼三孫第有規律個真正失敗呢？
And today we're going to look at these 3 different aspects and yet find out, though he is the strongest judge, but then he is the worst failure.
第一是三孫係信仰頂面嘅失敗。
First, Samson, we are going to look at the failure of Samson in the area of faith.
咱嚟過嚟讀數數記第14章1到第3節，
Let us read the Judges chapter 14 verses 1 to
咱已
3.
經第3擺讀這段嘅聖經。
This will be the 3rd time we're going to read the same passage.
三孫到亭那，而且可能一個女嘅是非利士女子。三孫就對父母講：我哋亭那看到一個女子是非利士女子，願你和我坐來做我嘅妻子。伊嘅父母講：喺你兄弟嘅中間，喺你本國嘅面中，揀無一個女嘅嗎？為什麼佢未受割咩非利士人中間坐妻子呢？三孫對父母講：願你和我坐伊，因為我歡喜。
Samson went down to Timnah and saw there a young Philistine woman. When he returned, he said to his father and mother, I have seen a Philistine woman in Timnah. Now get her for me as my wife. His father and mother replied, Isn't there an acceptable woman among your relatives and among all our people? Must you go to the uncircumcised Philistines to get a wife? But Samson said to his father, Get her for me. She's the right one for me.
三孫講：我歡喜。
And Samson said, I'm pleased with that.
我愛，
That's what I love.
我知影伊唔是新造人，伊是非利士人，伊是外邦人。
I know she is an unbeliever, she is a Philistine, she is a Gentile.
但是我愛。
But nevertheless, I love it.
咱講伊父母甲你講一句真正重嘅話，
That your parents have told you something very serious.
當中新造人死了了吧？
That have all the Christians died?
當中基督徒嘅姊妹無地下了吧？
Have all the sisters gone?
當中新造嘅兄弟死了了吧？
And all the brothers in the Lord are gone,
為
are
什麼坐
died.
一個無新造嘅人嚟？
How come you're marrying and bringing along somebody who's not a believer?
三孫講：我愛。
And Samson said, I want it.
這個唔是三孫喺婚姻上嘅失敗，很簡單。
It's not just a matter of failure in the area of his marriage,
這是三孫喺信仰頂面嘅失敗。
but rather this is a failure in his area of faith.
冇一個猶太人唔知呀。
There is no Jew that would not know this,
猶太人未准甲外邦人結婚，
that Jews are not supposed to marry any Gentile.
但你就發現一項代志。
But then you'll discover one
聖
thing.
經裏面有真多猶太人實在甲外邦人結婚，
Indeed, in the Bible, there are a lot of Jews who married Gentiles.
甚至有人嘅名竟然喺耶穌基督嘅家譜嘅裏面。
And even their names are listed in the genealogy of Jesus Christ.
喺馬太福音第1章
In Matthew chapter 1,
就有4個外邦人嘅女嘅名喺裏面，
there are 4 Gentile women names that would appear.
這是他媽，
First is
這
Tamar
是 Rahab，
and Rahab
這是路德，
and also Ruth
這個是拔示巴。
and Bathsheba.
這4人竟然喺聖經嘅裏面。
And then all these women's names, these 4 names will appear in the Bible.
哎呀，你講原來上帝允准猶太人甲外邦人結婚
So that means that God allows that the Jews marrying a Gentile person
？No。
in CN.
猶太人看外邦人甲猶太人是比算伊嘅種族嘅問題。
And this is because the Jews are looking at the Gentile nations on the difference of race.
你唔是猶太人，就是外邦人。
Since you are not a Jew, then you are a Gentile.
但係上帝看外邦人及猶太人，唔是用種族嚟看，是用信仰嚟看。
But then from the perspective of God, it's not a matter of race. It's not whether you are a Jew or a non-Jew.
當人關於歸於上帝嘅時陣，
But rather, when a person is willing to come back to God,
佢就唔是外邦人。
then he ceases to be a Gentile.
喺聖經嘅裏面，
And thus in the Bible,
他媽、Rahab、Ruth 都是外邦人，
Tamar, Rahab, Ruth are all Gentiles.
但這三外邦人都是歸於猶太教嘅外邦人。
But then all these three Gentile ladies came back to the Lord.
所以渣渣喺上帝眼中，這個唔是外邦人，這是渣渣係猶太人、
And that's-
信主嘅人。
In the sight of God, they are no longer Gentiles, but they are indeed true Jews. They are people who believed in the Lord.
所以上帝冇反對。
And so God does not disapprove of this.
我差唔多咁，我細件啦，有淡薄細家講嘅一個 family time 嘅時間。
And last time I had the family time with my 3 kids,
我眼計講這項代志。
and suddenly I told them about
我講你
this.
嘅爸爸愛你將來若有找朋友，有什麼條件？
You know that if Papa wants you to have some lifetime partners or friends in the future, what kind of conditions I would be having.
我嘅件啦是9歲啦，9歲、
And my child is only 9 years old,
13歲、
13,
12歲。
and 15.
我就計講這項代志。
And then I told them about
你
this.
就教邊個別講這項代志哦？
Definitely you have to tell them about
你若
this.
少嘅話講維護咯。
Because you're too late. Otherwise, you'll be too late.
我講真最條件，
And so I cited quite a number of conditions.
其中這項，
One of which
你講
is
這個信仰的確特佢啲神嘅。
that is they have to share the same faith as they have.
你若唔是中國人，
If they are not Chinese,
我冇一定反對，我冇一定反對。
I don't necessarily disagree or oppose to it.
我無親像你佢哋反對唔是中國人，
I'm not like you would always oppose if they are not Chinese.
但是我愛一個實在信主嘅基督徒。
But then I want a person who is truly a believer.
這個是信仰一個真正重要嘅，未再妥協 compromise 嘅環節。
And this is a very important guideline or principle that should never be compromised.
深信嘅失敗，
And the failure of
唔
Samson,
是婚姻嘅失敗，
it's not a matter of his marital
是
relationship,
信仰嘅失敗。
but rather this is a failure in the area of
因為
faith.
以賽亞，
Because he
這個
definitely
人是非
knew
利士人，
that this person is a
這個是
Philistine.
未歸於上帝非利士人。
He's a person who has not yet turned back to the Lord. And,
而
a
父母
Philistine.
在呀，
And his parents also knew
這
about
個
this.
人是未歸於上帝外邦人。
And this is a Gentile person who has not yet turned back to God.
但係深信講我歡喜，
But then Samson says, I'm pleased with that.
呢個講真正重要嘅代志。
You have to remember one thing that's important.
第一智慧人所羅門，
And the wisest person, Solomon,
你老也是好未信主嘅外邦人嘅呢個車主，才去敬拜偶像，
in his older age, he was led to worship other idols because of this woman.
因為真簡單啊，
Because it's pretty simple.
將一個人拖落嚟容易，將一個人滑過去較容易，
Which is easier to pull someone downwards or upwards?
咁即係較容易啊，
Which one is easier?
拖落嚟較容易，還是對扶起嚟較容易啊？
To pull down or to pull up?
就係先咪拖落嚟容易，
Obviously to pull down
因為有叫做 gravity 對線 keep 落嚟原因啊，
because of the reason of gravity.
當中咪加自然係塞落去啊，
And so all things will be coming down to the ground.
信仰省啦，
The same with faith.
無信主嘅人真係拖落去就真真容易，
And so it's very easy for the non-believers or the non-faith to pull you down.
將未信主嘅人拖去信主是真困難嘅代志，
And to bring an unbeliever to come to know the Lord is indeed very difficult.
唔當試探呢個上帝。
You should not test your God.
為到婚姻大事，正在基督徒已經失敗。
And thus in the area of marriage, there are a lot of Christians who have failed.